In this video, we will cover how to import any updates to the vendor 1099 amounts. To do that, we will go over to Accounts Payable, AP Vendors, and launch the 1099 inquiry screen. From here, if we need to download a template, we can click on the File menu and use the Export function. You will then browse out to the file path where you want your file to be stored. Hit the Tab key on the keyboard to enable the OK button and click OK to download. Okay, once completed, the system will let you know how many records have been downloaded in your template. To populate the template, you will need the vendor ID, the 1099 code applicable to your vendor, the tax year that will be imported, the number of months that you will be recording for the payments, the last payment date, the payment count, and the total for the payments. In my example, I will load one line for vendor 1450 with vendor code 7 for the tax year 2022 for the month of April. And my date will be April 5th, 2022 for one payment totaling $450. Okay. Once I have completed my lines, I can click Save, close my file, return to Sage 300 in the 1099 inquiry screen, click on the File menu, and this time I will select the Import option. Notice that the system remembers the last file path where I downloaded my template, so I will leave that as is. Hit the Tab key on my keyboard to refresh the screen, and as you can see, the status column is set to Import Ready, which means that the system has read my file, and I can now click on OK. And once completed, the system will let me know how many records were updated, if one record was inserted, and now it processed 10 lines in my import. Once I'm done, I can click Close. And if I now search for the lines on my vendor 1450, here is my line for the month of April.